Hello everyone! Welcome to the Maxi Pixie channel. Today we're going to draw and color Cute Oyster with a pearl that live underwater together. Let's start drawing. First, we draw a horizontal line. Then we draw a pearl inside the oyster. Now we're going to draw leaf-like shapes. These leaf-like shapes will be beautiful parts of the oyster shell. We're drawing the oyster's head. We also draw these leaf-like shapes on the back of the oyster. We're drawing the oyster's cute eyes. And a smiling face. Like all sea creatures, the oyster looks very happy. We're drawing the small details of the oyster. We're drawing rocks and sea plants around the oyster. Now we're using the black marker to make this drawing more visible. Perfect! We finished drawing Cute Oyster with a pearl. Let's start coloring. Pink! We're going to color oyster shells with rainbow color. Green. Red. Orange. Yellow. Blue. Orange. Yellow. Dark yellow. Cream. Light red. Gray. Green. Well done! We've finished drawing and coloring Cute Oyster with a pearl. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video!